Don't be afraid. I'm sorry. This wasn't supposed to happen.
Yes, Your Honor. Just as soon as I free this poor creature. You mistreat this poor boy the same way you mistreat my people. You speak of justice, yet you are cruel to those most in need of your help.
Silence!
Justice! Then it appears we've crowned the wrong fool. The only fool I see is you.
Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 10 of you and 1 of me. What's a poor girl to do?
Over here. Did you make all these things yourself? This is beautiful. If I could do this, you wouldn't find me dancing in the streets for coins. What's this?
To paint them.
It's the blacksmith. And the baker.